Its name: cone, cylinder, sphere, cube, triangular prism, triangular base pyramid, cuboid, hexagonal prism, square base pyramid. Cone, pink color. Pink color cone. Cylinder, yellow color. Yellow color cylinder. Sphere, green color. Cube, light blue color. Light blue color cube. Triangular prism, red color. Triangular prism, triangular base pyramid, mauve color. Mauve color triangular base pyramid, cuboid, orange color. Orange color cuboid, hexagonal prism, blue color. Hexagonal prism, square base pyramid, brown color. Square base pyramid, cone, cylinder, sphere, cube, triangular prism, triangular base pyramid, cuboid, hexagonal prism, square base pyramid.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye.